Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic Vanes bridge. Vanes bridge is very important in AC circuit. It is mainly used for determining the value of unknown frequency. The bridge measures the frequency from 100 Hz to 100 kHz. The accuracy of the bridge lies between 0.1 to 0.5%. The bridge is used for various applications like capacitance measurement, harmonic distortion analyzer, and in the HF frequency oscillator. Now we can see the circuit of Vanes bridge. Here in this bridge, the Vanes bridge is frequency sensitive, thereby it is difficult to obtain the balance point in it. The input supply voltage is not purely sinusoidal and they have some harmonics. The harmonics of the supply voltage disturb the balance condition of the bridge. To overcome this problem, the filter is used in the bridge. The filter connect in series with the null detector. Now when we apply AC voltage, our apply voltage is not purely sinusoidal, since some harmonics is obtained in the circuit, which is mainly used to disturb the balance condition of the bridge. To overcome this problem, we use filter in the bridge which is connected in series with the null detector. So here in this bridge you can see the 4 branches. In our first branch, AB branch, you can see that our capacitor is parallel with resistance. Now in BC branch there is single resistor which is not inductive. In CD branch there is a one resistor R4. On AD branch there is a resistance which is series with capacitance C2. Now with the help of balance condition we can determine the value of unknown components and frequency. With the when the bridges is in the balance condition, the potential of the node BC are equal. Hence in this condition V1 is equal to V2 and V3 is equal to V4. The phase and the magnitude of V3 I1 R3 and V4 I2 R4 are equal, hence they overlapping to each other. The current I1 flowing through the BD and the current I2 flowing through R4 is also phase along with I1 R3 and I2 R4. The total voltage drop across the AC is equal to the sum of voltage drop I2 R2 across the resistance R2 and the capacitive drop I2 upon omega C2 across the capacitance C2. When the bridge is in a balanced condition, the voltage V1 and V2 both are equal in magnitude and phase. Now in our balanced condition, the voltage drop across V1 and V2 are equal. The phase of voltage V1 and the voltage drop R1 across the branch R1 is also same. The resistance R1 is same case phase, so that of the voltage V1, the phasor sum of V1 and V3 or V2 and V4 will give the resultant supply voltage. Now we in the balance condition, Z1 Z4 equal to Z2 Z3. The value of Z1 is obtained by parallel capacitance and resistance R1 upon 1 plus j omega C1 R1. The value of Z4 is R4. The value of Z2 is R2 minus j upon omega C2, and the value of Z3 is R3. Now we can solve this equation and equating the real part. Now when you equating the real part, then you get R1 R4 C2 equal to R2 C2 R3 and R3 C1 R1. R1 R4 C2 upon R1 R3 C2. ठीक है. When we divided both side equation by R1 R3 C2, then we get R4 R3 equal to R2 upon R1 plus C1 upon C2. On comparing imaginary part, we can see that R3 R2 omega square C2 C1 R1 equal to R3. Hence R2 omega square C2 C1 R1 equal to 1, and we get the value of omega equal to 1 upon square root of R1 R2 C1 C2. By substituting the value of omega, 2 pi f equal to 1 upon 2 pi square root of R1 R2 C1 C2. 1 upon 2 pi square root of R1 R2 C1 C2. With the help of this bridge, we can determine the value of unknown frequency So we can determine the value of frequency with the help of this bridge. ठीक है, thank you.